Oh, that's the way how to butcher a chicken here in Ramon Homestay. Even that one you can experience that one here. So well, they're starting to butcher now. That's my uncle Ramon, who is the think will be CEO of this business in the near future, and that's Uncle Francis, who is assisting him. Well, that's the traditional way of butchering chicken here. So I'm gonna endorse this I think the chicken have only little blood coming inside.
No blood.
And here's my dad also. He's also watching. Say hello, Dad.
Hello.
Okay, that's my dad.
Welcome to Batad.
And while they're butchering, ay, bukas. Here's some other appetizer with this native house or century house. Go back to our main dish later. This is the other hen. I think his family, her family.
The pig.
Later, tomorrow, we're gonna video again the pig tomorrow, because this is the chicken part.
They do the burning inside, so if he make video, then everything will be taken inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, I can do that. I can do that also. This is the knife that they use. That one. See? I think they are finished, and that's it.